Yay, package day. Okay, so Amazon just delivered some more goodies that I need to order, and today we have a couple batteries, battery charger, a nice little case, and also I'm going to show you what the batteries are for. So here we go. We're going to start off opening up the first box. And this is how, well, of course, you know, other than the Amazon box, which you've all seen Amazon boxes, you know, they're packed the way they usually are across the board. So we have these 3 items in it. Well, there's 2 here. So let's start with this one here. Oh, I don't even think we're going to need anything to do the cutting with. All right. So, looks like what I'm seeing here is your power USB cable. Put that off to the side. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty compact charger base unit. Like that. That's pretty cool. And then of course these batteries. Now what's funny about these batteries is they actually go on my Handycam from like back in the 90s. And I can't believe they're still being sold, which is kind of interesting. And if you ever had a Sony Handycam, you'll see it. These batteries are the same ones. So it was kind of a double value. I got it for what I got it for today. I'll show you that in a second. And also it's going to help me with my Handycam, which is excellent because I need replacement batteries because those batteries are like 20 years old. So that was pretty awesome. Now what makes it more excellent is this. Other than the batteries, they sent me a case. Now, this case, of course, is not only for the batteries and whatnot, but it's also for the surprise item. Nice little carrying case. And, of course, your breakout compartments. Alright, so the question is, what is the final piece? Let me just push that aside here. Guess so you can get a better look. The breakout compartments. Very convenient, so you can customize it the way you want it. It's pretty excellent. And, you know, connect in the following ways, etc. Okay, so now the question is, what is the last piece, Mike? We want to know. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so I needed some more lighting. Some more lighting, if not for my actual camera, more lighting just in general. So I need a little light, but I need something that was super bright, and you could adjust the dimming. So I picked this up. Good reviews on it. Of course, I'll have the links to this in the description. But yeah. Now, I know there's a newer version of this, but let me tell you, the reason why I liked this is it comes with the filters as well. Okay? Multiple colored filters. So let's check this out. These filters range in a variety of colors. Wow. You really want to make sure you can't get in there, right? Oh, there we go. Let's keep it exciting here. Okay, so now we just have the one dim. Alright, so actually this is a dimmer filter for more of a yellow. And in the package itself comes another one for a more clear. Okay. And what else do we have here? Oh, check this out. We have, of course, your mount for your camera. So you could attach that. Excellent. So this definitely is going to be exciting stuff. I'm looking forward to everything else. So this is just more, you know, how to connect type ordeals, paperwork and whatnot. Excellent. And that's it. That's all we got today. They're definitely a worthwhile investment because I'm definitely going to need it moving forward. You know, because you can never have enough light on something. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next video.